Hi guys, welcome to YS Khong Driving. We are at the PACE Auto Exhibition in Setia Alam, and today Volkswagen has launched the facelifted version of the Tiguan Allspace. There are two versions. This is the Elegance, which is basically a 1.4 liter, 150 PS, 250 Newton meter, front wheel drive only, 7-seater. And of course the top of the line is the other one, which is the RLine, which is the 220 PS, 350 Newton meters of torque, and also a 7-seater SUV. Okay, this is the Elegance version of the Tiguan Allspace, and both the variants actually have a new front end and some slight cosmetic changes. Mechanically they are the same, but this one sells for 174,745, and this is priced before SST. Now what's new? Both the variants have got lane assist now, which is basically the lane departure warning plus steering correction. And inside they also promise some haptic feedback for your steering and your controls. And also the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace facelift comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So at the front you get new bumpers and a new grille plus LED lights, and this is what it looks like. So the 1.4 Allspace comes with a 1.4 liter engine and turbocharged of course, and it comes with a 6-speed wet clutch DSG. Seating capacity is for 7, and we will get the car hopefully for test drive soon, and we'll update you then. For the 2 liter, it comes in RLine trim. Of course it comes with RLine seats and all, and of course it also gets a new front and grille, and there is a bit of difference between the RLine and the Elegance. And of course this one also comes with lane assist, which includes lane departure warning and steering correction. And on the interior you also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and of course the haptic feedback for instrumentation. Alright guys, so this car will sell for 219,443, and this is before sales tax. You have until June the 30th to get this car at this price, because after that it will go up. So Volkswagen assures us that they will have enough stock for most of the customers who want this car. And of course, if you are about to order the car, please check, because they will also let you know whether you have a good chance of getting it before June the 30th or not. Alright guys, so that's the take on the launch of the new Tiguan Allspace. Thank you very much for being with us, and till we meet again in the next video. Bye bye.